Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of the phone not connecting to Wi-Fi in a very simple way. If you have any problems related to Wi-Fi, we will solve it in this video. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supported it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings, then go to the system and updates, then click on reset, and here you will find reset network settings. We click on it. If your phone settings are not its settings, it is okay. I will exit. After that, click on settings, then click on the settings search engine and write reset. After that, this interface will pop up for you. Click on reset network settings, and here we will click on reset, which is at the bottom, and thus the settings of wireless networks or Wi-Fi and mobile data and Bluetooth data will be reset, and thus if you have any problem it will be solved because the settings will return the original default settings. This is the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.